Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling something super exciting and practical. How to get a custom or personalized debit card in 2025. With rapid advancements in banking tech, turning your boring debit card into a unique masterpiece is easier than ever. Let's dive right in. First things first, why should you personalize your debit card? It's not just about aesthetics, it's a smart move for security. A card with your own design can help you spot it quickly in your wallet, reducing the chance of mix-ups or fraud. Plus, it's a fun way to express your personality, whether you're into minimalist art, bold colors, or even family photos. Step 1. Start by checking if your bank offers personalization options. By 2025, most major banks like Chase, Bank of America, or even fintech apps like Venmo have rolled this out. Head to their website or app and look for a Card Customization section. Step 2. Log into your account and navigate to the personalization feature. You'll likely need to verify your identity with a quick PIN or biometric scan for security. Step 3. Choose your design. Upload a photo from your phone, select from pre-made templates, or use AI tools, now common in 2025, to generate a custom image based on your inputs. Remember, keep it appropriate. Banks have guidelines to follow. Step 4. Review and confirm your order. There might be a small fee, usually $5 to $15, depending on your bank, so double-check that before proceeding. Step 5. Sit back and wait. Your new card should arrive in 5 to 10 business days, thanks to faster printing tech. One quick tip. Always ensure your design meets eco-friendly standards if you're going green. Many banks in 2025 use sustainable materials. Personalizing your debit card is a simple way to make banking more enjoyable and secure. If you try this out, let me know in the comments how it goes. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more tech and finance tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.